everybody, it's Miss Dow. Here I have a pitch exploration story, and what this is, it's a way to get us using our voice in different ways. It can kind of be a warm-up to singing in a fun way. So this was one of my favorites. It's called On a Dark and Stormy Night, and I need your help to make the sound effects. Are you ready? On a dark and stormy night, witches laugh. Can you laugh like a witch? Owls hoot. Hoo, hoo. Your turn. Hoo, hoo. Ghosts swoop. Whoosh, whoosh. Your turn. Wolves howl. Ow! Ow, ow, ow! Can you howl like a wolf? Goblins dance. Now, I like to go like this. Nee! For goblins dancing. But what noise do you think they would make? I'd love to hear it sometime. Thunder claps, and you can clap your hands or stomp your feet, making a thunder noise. People scream. I like to do inside voices. Ah! Ready? Ah! On a dark and stormy night. Okay, here's the whole thing one more time to let you try the sound effects. On a dark and stormy night, witches laugh. Owls hoot. Ghosts swoop. Wolves howl. Goblins dance. Thunder claps. People scream. On a dark and stormy night. Good job, kids.